welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about installing Easy AI library. Easy AI is an artificial intelligence framework for two-player abstract games such as Tic-Tac-Toe, Connect 4, Reversi, etc. In this course, we will write a program which will compete with the computer version of Tic-Tac-Toe. It is written in Python and makes it easy to define the mechanism of a game and play against a computer or solve a game. It has been written with clarity or simplicity in the mind rather than speed, so it can be slow, but there are fixes to make it fast. So first, let's install this library. Let's open the terminal. I'll type the command pip install easy AI. You can see that it started installing the packages. At last, all the files are installed and version will be added. So this is how the library being installed. We'll sure use this library in this course. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching this video.